Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Coupe Info Update. Today is my topic about BMW M2. Before starting video, please subscribe my channel. Let's start video. BMW M2 is a high-performance sports coupe that is part of BMW's M division. It is the most compact and affordable model in the M range and it offers excellent performance and handling. BMW M2 is powered by a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine that produces 453 horsepower and 406 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed steptronic automatic transmission. M2 accelerates to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds and has a top speed of 155 miles per hour. M2 has a sporty suspension that is tuned for performance driving. The car also has adaptive dampers that allow the driver to control the stiffness of the suspension. M2 also has large brakes that provide reliable braking even at high speeds. Interior of the M2 is sporty and elegant. The car has sport seats, an M steering wheel and other M trim pieces. M2 also has a large infotainment display in the connected drive system which offers various features such as navigation, music and internet connectivity. BMW M2 is an excellent choice for drivers who are looking for a high-performance and well-handling sports coupe. The car offers excellent performance, great handling. I hope you liked my video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Follow for more video.